we are doing assembly. Just kidding.
Just kidding. We are doing this assembly because we are your house captains.
It's summer. You can feel it in the air. Not really, but kind of. You know.
Yeah, I guess it does still look like autumn.
Carry on. Things are warming up, and so are we. We're warming up for another term of learning at Park Primary. Yeah, Park Primary. Now this week we'll go to West Ham Park and chat with children. We will ask them how they feel this term. Some special guests came to our school. Some famous footballers came to battle the year 5s in times tables on TT Rockstars. BT Sport came to film with us. Like BT Sport! Thousand Enya Free has got a special certificate. Let's go to him and find out.
Hi everybody, I got this certificate for achieving the speed of 0.32. Do you want some tips on how to be fast like me? First, try to look at the ROM pad, and then after you go on the ROM pad and try to look and try to practice without looking. Guess what? I am 1 point away from beating the world record. I'm gonna practice every day to try to beat the world record. Do you want me to play? Let's go.
Yeah, give him a round of applause, everyone.
Amazing stuff, Thousand. We're spending 5 days in park thinking about contentedness. Contentedness. How do you even say that word? Contentedness. This is because it's well-being week. We do some activities which makes us feel good. We can use those in challenging times as well. We have been making the time to get out because we've been cooped up for so long in lockdown. 3 lockdowns. So let's go and see what they're doing over there.
Once there was a little girl named Alexia, and then Alexia was so bored. She said, "Why are we waiting here so long? How dare you! How dare you question the king? Because of you, I shall banish all words, and thou shall not be spoken."
Stop! What do you think life would be like without West?
Why are we studying this in Well-Being Week? We're studying this in Well-Being Week so we can be happy, excited, and grateful of the things we have. Such as an example, what we're doing is the words. We use words in our everyday life as our communication, and we really need it a lot. That's why this is what Well-Being Week is for.
We're sketching flowers.
Yeah.
And these are the flowers we've done so far.
Yeah, these and we're about to draw these flowers.
Yes.
Yeah.
This tree looks like a piece of art.
Yeah, it's so easy to climb.
We've been sketching flowers.
If you want to give your potion a stir,
Don't let me.
find a tree that you like to water.
Oh, yeah. A tree you want to water? Okay. Catherine's find a tree. He's staring it. Well, let me mix now. Well, we're making brand real life potions.
How?
Like the little stuff and smelling them and make sure it smells good and stuff like grass special potions. Everything will take care of the plants in the wild. Wait, what are we playing with? We are visiting. I think so. Hold it then.
The kitty potion! Has it got something to do with your kitty ears? Yeah?
And it makes trees talk like kittens.
Oh, so if I'm walking through the park and I hear any strange meows, do you think it might be the trees talking like cats to me?
Want to know what we done in the park today? We were trying to find right angles on the logs, and there was like these small trees, and we done it over there. And I found a straight angle, a right angle, and a cute angle. I feel all right about it. But when I get dirty, I don't like it.
Oh yeah, yeah. And we were doing in the wild, like we were doing maths. We were doing maths in forest school. We were doing maths. Our feet are angles, our eyes are angles, our nose are angles, our mouth are angles. I'm going to tell you what angles are our eyes. Our eyes are acute angles.
Great. It's amazing to see so much happiness. Let's go and read some stars. Wonderful stars.
Hello everybody, it's me, Mr. Honkin. I'm here to do this week's stars. So let's start with Little Park and reception. In Little Park, in Mexia class, this week's star is Mohammed Aryan. In Tenzing class, this week's star is Zuhair. And in Coleman class, this week's star is Mahira. In Jemison class, this week's star is Mikhail. In MacArthur, well done to Josh. And finally, in Seacole class, a big well done to Miriam. Now time for our stars in year 1 and 2. So in Aldrin class, well done Abiha. In Attenborough class, well done Ewan. And in Marco Polo class, well done Shania. In year 2, in Einstein class, well done Mohammed Yahya. In Marie Curie class, it's Levi. And finally in Pasteur class, well done Amelie. Okay, stars of the week for Key Stage 2. In Da Vinci class, Jotham. In Galileo, Virginia. And in Edison class, Mariam. In year 4, in Berners-Lee, well done Karina. In Hawking, it's Layla. And in Brunel class, well done Eliza. Okay, moving swiftly up the school. In Gandhi class, it's Rabia. In Helen Keller class, well done Casey. And in Rosa Parks class, big well done to Sufyan. Finally, in year 6, Mandela's star is Aisha. Malala's star is Summer. And Pankhurst's star is MJ. Have a lovely weekend, everybody, and a final well done to all our stars of the week this week.
Well done, everybody. Have a great weekend and see you next week. Bye. Stay excellent. Cracking jokes, right?